Welcome to Kababayan Today. Ako po si G. Tonji to wrap up our Talk Tuesday series for Child Abuse Prevention Month. We have a very esteemed panel to talk about this topic. Starting off with Aris Banico. Born and raised and educated in the Philippines, he is now a court officer and currently the Assistant Regional Administrator of the Asian Pacific Program and Deaf Services. Welcome back.
Thank you very much.
All right, and then we also have Anibel Cafuir, who is the Emergency Response Social Worker and Investigator. Welcome back.
Thank you.
And then we have Feli Gutierrez, our Supervising Children's Social Worker in Adoption. Thank you. And last but not least, kasama natin si Grace Tamase na isang Supervising Children's Social Worker sa hotline naman. Alright, so marami tayong napag-usapan in these last two shows, diba, about our talk on child abuse. If you have not watched those programs, I highly suggest that you go back para you can educate yourself, diba? Especially pertaining to our Filipino culture. Dahil it is a cultural issue as well because we were raised in an environment, in a template na nangyayari ito. Yung mga magulang, nabebelt yung mga anak lumalaki, nagkakaroon ng mga anak, yun rin yung ginagawa. Kasi we don't know any better. That is all we know in terms of our parenting skills. Okay, so I want to talk about how all of you were able to get into social work because it is a very difficult career, but also you need a big heart to do it.
Definitely.
Yes?
Definitely.
Okay, so let's start off. Aris, sa Pilipinas pa lang, doon ka nagkolehiyo at nalaman mo ba na sa Pilipinas pa lang, eto na talaga yung gusto mong gawin?
Ang puso ko nasa behavioral sciences. So talagang gusto ko yung nagdidil sa tao. So my bachelor's in sociology and I have my master's in guidance and counseling. And proudly, lahat ito Filipino universities. At hanggang ngayon, dala-dala ko yon. Parating pinagmamalik ko sa Pilipinas ako nag-raise at nagkaroon ng edukasyon. At aside from that, nung pumunta ako sa Amerika, alam mo na, may mga istorya tayong lahat-lahat. May kanya-kanyang story hanggang sa naging immigrant through a petition of my wife, being American citizen pero Filipino din. So I created my own family. So syempre, nag-explore ka ng mga possibilities. Kasi nung time na yon, hindi ko akalain na pwede pala akong mag-work sa government. So merong tinatawag na kinakailangang ipa-evaluate mo ang credentials mo. Importante po yan. Sa mga kababayan natin, kung kayo graduate sa atin, meron pong pamamaraan dito na pwedeng i-evaluate ang credentials mo na 100% ika-credit ng Amerika.
Ayun,
Importante nating malaman niya. Kasi minsan meron akong namimit na Filipino na graduate sa atin. Bakit hindi ko naman sa minamaliit, pwede kang magtrabaho sa ganito. Paano yun? Okay, meron tayong agency na credentialing, evaluation services. Ipa-evaluate mo lahat ng iyong credentials at bibigyan kanila kung ano ang natapos mo sa Pilipinas at i-acknowledge dito sa Amerika.
Ayan, at importante
Kaya ako nakapasok sa LA County Department of Children and Family Services. So yung pagiging social worker ko, naging supervisor, naging administrator, at ako ang naging ombudsman for the department. So lahat ng complaints sa department, hinahandle ko noon.
Naku, napakalaking trabaho niya.
Napakalaking trabaho. There are times na kinakailangan talagang objective ka. Kung mawawala yung objectivity mo, unfair naman doon sa nire-review mong cases. Pero I love doing it kasi nag-advocate ka kung ano talaga ang tunay na nangyari. At hindi mo mapaparusahan ang dapat parusahan. Talagang first love ko yung pagiging ombudsman. Kaya lang medyo na-promote, naging assistant regional administrator. So ngayon, nung ako inilagay sa regional office, sa Pomona office, yung unang kong assignment, nagkaroon ng opening sa Asian Pacific Program as administrator. Sabi ko, yan ang aking talagang tatargetin.
Diba?
Kasi aside sa meron kang trabaho sa county, at the same time, nabibigyan mo ng tuon yung sarili mong community. Yun ang sarili kong puso. Kaya hanggang ngayon, pinagmamalaki ko na talagang nire-review namin lahat ng Filipino cases.
And it's so important there are people like you because you advocate for our community.
Kaya yung aking passion talagang, wow, this is the best place for me.
That's right.
Kaya minsan iniisip ko, minsan nagko-contemplate ako, siguro meron pa akong 10 years for the department. Sabi ko, maybe 30 or 30 years from now, it doesn't matter what kind of car that I drive. It doesn't matter kung saan ako nakatira. It doesn't matter kung ano yung how much savings I have in the bank. But I can face the mirror and say, I am Aris Banico and I made a difference in the life of a child. Yun ang talagang passion.
Okay.
Kaya lang ang advice talagang kung wala kang passion, mahirap gawin ang trabaho.
Oh, you have to love what you do,
have to
right?
love what you do.
Right.
Kasi sa pagtuturo, katulad ng pagtuturo, I can classify this as a vocation, hindi lang profession.
That's right. And that's important.
Importante.
Ate Feli, paano mo nalaman na ito talaga yung career na gusto mong sundin?
Example ng aking lolo at saka ng nanay ko. Ang lolo ko kasi, nagdadala yan ng mga pamilya. Tapos pinantitira niya sa lupa, yung lupang pag-aari niya, tapos nag-aano sila ng land. Yung nagiging farmer o kaya yung sa fishing. Tapos ang nanay ko naman, mahilig mamulot yan ng mga pregnant women. Tapos dinadala sa bahay namin. Hanggang mga anak sila, tapos i-place niya sa employment, gano'n.
Ayun.
We counted 7 ang tinulungan
So,
niya.
ito talaga yung
kinalakihan
destiny
mo.
nyo, di ba? Kasi it starts from the family. It's the
Example.
values that you give to your children that carry on.
Tsaka nung maliit daw ako, kaya ako napalo. Hindi, child abuse. Ano? Kasi kinuha ko yung wallet ng lolo ko, tapos siniscatter ko daw yung mga...
Yung pera sa mga tao.
sa may gate.
Okay, very, very interesting story, starting with your family. Pagbalik natin, gusto ko naman malaman ang inyong mga story, ang mga kababaihan,
Right.
si Anibel tsaka si Grace. Pagbalik natin dito sa Kababayan Today. Don't go away.